Hello, I'm Carlos Guerrero. I've been a professor here for 20 years, and I've been teaching Chicano Studies 390 since the fall of 1992, and we've gone from a newspaper to digital. I like teaching this subject because I like the idea of storytelling. Anything that is part of a newspaper or storytelling is recording history. So that's the other thing that I really enjoy, is having students be able to record history. And journalism is about recording history in this particular class. I think we take a lot of the information and we've gone from the written word, the print, to a digital, moving pictures, multimedia, and it's just more of a 21st century way of telling very similar stories. I think we're doing a lot of the similar things that we used to do a long time ago, but now we have more art. In other words, there's more images, and the students are now editing stories and telling stories. One of the biggest stories that I like to talk about over the years, and it's a story that one of my students did with a couple other students, and we did an interview with these mothers in Canoga Park called UVA, Unión de Vecinos Amistosos, but first they were called themselves Unión de Viejas Amargosas. And they started a small group of women's group because they wanted to fight against this kind of tyrannical principal at Canoga Park Elementary School. And so these mothers came in together, and a friend of mine who was working in Canoga Park told us about the story, and so students went out and really interviewed the mothers, and we got a great story. And they used the story from the paper to get additional funding and support for their plight, and they were able later on to do some community classes, and we went in there and helped them. I think that was one of the big stories that I think that I really enjoyed in terms of having an impact. And I think the stories that we run many times, it makes some people upset, and when they write us dear editor letters that they're not very happy, we probably made some people think about the information. Student should be interested in taking this class because I think they're able to use multimedia tools to tell a story. They're able to edit, photograph, do audio pieces, and be able to kind of capture a variety of different ideas into a multimedia format that allows to tell a story. And even with the whole notion of just the text, last semester we had a student who was from Liverpool, England, and she wrote these great pieces about her experiences in Liverpool. And then we use some photographs, and I think that's what's really good. I think what I want to do is have her come back and do some audio. But that's the thing, right? Students can use the audio and the video and the text and bring it all together to tell these other stories that in just a print format won't work. I'm Professor Guerrero. I teach in Chicano Studies, and this is Chicano Studies 390 Alternative Chicano Press.